Are you looking for the best stadium chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best stadium chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Oniva Ventura Seat. The Oniva Ventura seat stood out for all-around comfort. It has foam cushioning throughout, including a thick seat cushion, padded armrests, and a plush backrest. It offers great back support and can be adjusted to 6 recline angles. Since the armrests limit the seat width, you can invert them to increase it by 5 inches. This is a backpack-style stadium chair, meaning it has shoulder straps for carrying it on your back. It folds out flat instead of into itself, so it's not the most compact. But the straps are padded and adjustable, plus, carrying it this way evenly distributes the weight, which is ideal for walking longer distances. We found this stadium seat easy to fold, unfold, and adjust. While it doesn't have a bleacher hook, the grippy, water-resistant underside helps it stay in place. And although there's no cup holder, it does have a zippered pocket. Considering the exceptional comfort, versatility, and portability, we think the price is reasonable and the brand backs it with a lifetime guarantee. At number 2. Coleman Stadium Seat. For budget shoppers, we recommend the Coleman Stadium Seat. Made of water-resistant nylon and foam, without any metal components, it's lighter than most other options we tested. It also rolls up compactly and secures with Velcro straps for easy carrying with the long crossbody strap. While it's not super thick, it still provides some cushioning and back support. We felt totally supported, even when leaning back with our full body weight. We also appreciate that you can adjust the recline with the cinch buckle straps. Since this stadium seat is so lightweight, it doesn't stay up very well when no one is sitting on it. But you also have the option to lay it flat on a bleacher to create a 2-person cushion. Coleman backs this product with a 1-year warranty, which is generous considering it's under $20. At number 4. Flash Furniture Grandstand Comfort Seat. Supporting up to 500 pounds, the Flash Furniture Grandstand seat has the highest weight capacity of all the stadium chairs we tested. But that's not all we like about it. With a 3-inch thick seat cushion and a supportive backrest, it's very comfortable to sit in. At first, it seemed like the aluminum frame may not stay in place on a metal surface. But the attached bleacher hook secures it, and rubber grips prevent it from sliding around. This stadium chair folds down to roughly the size of a briefcase. It's on the heavier side, and without any shoulder straps, the only way to carry it is with the grab handle. Still, we think the Grandstand seat a good value based on the durable, comfy design. At number 5. Sportneer Stadium Seat. If armrests are a priority, we suggest the Sportneer Stadium Seat. This comfy bleacher chair has thick, supportive cushioning throughout the seat, backrest, and armrests. And if you ever want the seat to be wider, you can invert the armrests. The brand also has an extra wide version about 3 inches wider than this one. This chair can be adjusted to 6 recline positions. We like the feature-rich design, which boasts 2 cup holders and 4 pockets for things like snacks, sunglasses, or your phone. There's also a buckle on the bottom to secure it to bleachers. The Sportneer Stadium seat folds flat instead of into itself, so it's not compact. And while it's slightly heavy, the padded, adjustable shoulder straps allow you to carry it like a backpack with the weight evenly distributed. At number 6. Sheenive Folding Stadium Seat. If back support is a must-have, consider the Sheenive Stadium Seat. This bleacher chair has a padded backrest with plenty of height. We could sit upright in it without straining our lower backs and felt like we could fully relax and lean all our weight back. At 380 pounds, the weight capacity is on the higher side for those we tested. We also like that the seat cushion is nearly 3 inches thick. One thing to note is that the backrest is perpendicular to the seat, and you can't adjust the recline. Still, we think it's comfortable enough to sit in for multiple hours. We think the quilted design is appealing and like that there are a handful of neutral colors available. This stadium seat has a cup holder and handy mesh pouches, and you can carry it with the grab handle or padded shoulder strap. Considering the lower than average price tag, it's an excellent value. At number 7. Sport Beast Stadium Seat with Cup Holder. We also like the Sport Beast Stadium Seat. The comfortable design has a thick seat cushion and a padded backrest, though you can't adjust the recline angle. There's also a mesh cup holder that stretches to fit most bottles, cups, or cans. This bleacher chair is easy to fold and unfold. The frame has a grippy base to prevent it from shifting when you sit down, and you can secure it with the 2 bleacher hooks. While it weighs over 6 pounds and isn't the most compact, the padded shoulder strap makes it easy enough to carry. You can also stash the strap in the zippered pocket and tote it around by the grab handle.